Welcome back to the El Yucateco YouTube channel, everybody. My name is Mike, and I've got a Chipotle Infused burger coming up on this video for you that you're going to absolutely love. And it's coming up right now. As always, thank you very much for visiting the channel. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing by hitting that button down there and clicking the bell to get notifications anytime we release new content here on the El Yucateco YouTube channel. We really appreciate your support, all the comments and interaction we get on the videos, and we plan on putting out lots more for you in the future. So please consider subscribing if you haven't yet. So today is going to be a Chipotle infused smoked big fat juicy burger, and we're going to pair that with some foil pack onions that we're also going to infuse with some Chipotle flavor. So we're going to start with the onions. Let's go ahead and get this onion sliced. If you like your onions thinner, slice them thinner. If you like them thicker or fatter, slice them that way, whatever your preference is. Remember, at the end of the day, you're going to be the one eating this, so make things the way you like to make them. Now, I tend to like my onions thinner, so I'm going to slice them a little bit thinner. Now we just want to get these all separated so that they're not stuck together. If you've never done foil pack onions before, I encourage you to give this a try. These are so outstanding, especially on burgers or if you're going to do steak on the grill. They just come out so tender and they absorb so much flavor of whatever it is that you pair them with. Okay, it's time to get these into some foil. Okay, now that we have these in the foil, we're just going to pour some olive oil in here with them. Got about a quarter stick of butter, and this is just one onion, by the way. And our star of today's show, the El Yucateco Chili Chipotle. As soon as I take the cap off, this sauce just smells incredible. That should be good. All right, now let's crank up the music real quick while I wrap up this foil. Okay, this should be perfect. We just want to leave a little bit of an air pocket in there for this stuff to steam. Let's get this out on the cooker, and then we're going to work on that burger. Our foil pack of onions is on. Now it's time to do this burger. So just a pro tip for you, 80-20. Always go 80-20 when you're doing burgers. You want to have enough fat content to have that really juicy burger. That's what I have here. I've got some 80-20 ground chuck. Once again, star of the show, El Yucateco Chili Chipotle. And we are just going to infuse this ground chuck with this sauce. Now, without overworking this, we just want to get this mixed together, but we don't want to go too harsh. And there we go. It's time to build our patty now. That Chipotle sauce is so aromatic, I can just smell that coming up here. Now I'm going to show you the perfect way to build a homemade burger patty. So what I have here is a piece of parchment paper and a baking ring. These are available just about anywhere baking goods are sold, and it's a great way to build a perfect burger patty. One of the most common mistakes people make with burgers is that they tend to overpack the meat, and that will cause it to puff up, which is what you see a lot of times when you see people making burgers, is that big lump up in the middle of the burger. The way we're going to eliminate that is by loosely packing this meat together. So we're going to start by going around the edges of this ring, and we're just going to add to it little by little. And as promised and mentioned, we are going to build a big, beautiful burger here. So we're just going to gently work this together and flatten out our top. Once we're done there, we're going to gently press down on the center of the burger. Remove the ring. Now we'll just pat down our edges. And there we go. Perfect burger patty. Now just for some texture and a little bit of taste, we're going to add a little bit of coarse salt and black pepper to the top. So I'll be doing this out on the pellet smoker today. We're going to run this at about 275 degrees Fahrenheit until we reach an internal temperature of about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Always cook your burger to the temperature of your liking. Just make sure it's safe. So now it's time to get outside into the great outdoors, cook this burger up, serve it up, and enjoy it. So come on, let's go. I'll meet you outside. Chipotle Infused is a great way to describe this entire recipe. I hope you'll give this a try at home. Thank you for hanging out with me today. So take care till next time. I'll see you on the next video.